Success and failure complement each other. Those are the spices of life. But remember, don't procrastinate in failure, because success is waiting ahead. If you fall, get up, move, step, and keep fighting. It doesn't matter if you stumble. Don't stop for a moment. But don't be satisfied, especially for going back. Spirit. Birds chirping in the morning, as if humming sweetly, heart cooler, body filled with new spirit, what was lost in time. Beautiful. That's what I think now. Perfecting yourself in a holy soul, united with the bright morning dew, when the sun starts to rise again. I could. I'm not tired. I just need a boost. I don't give up. I am sure I can. It's not a burden, but challenge. Experience makes me brave. Dare to face challenges. Can't be afraid to fail. Because after failure will success tone. Failure is a lesson for success. I believe I can do that.